morning everyone. Today I Rahul Goyal of class 4E will show you an experiment which my science teacher told me to do. So now I am doing it. So for that experiment we need 1 glass of water, lemon, a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of salt. So now first we will put some turmeric into the glass filled with water. So we have to take a pinch of water, turmeric. Now we will mix it. Now we can see that if we add turmeric to the glass filled with water, it has turned yellow. Now I will show you a magic of how this yellow color changes into red color. So now we will add the surf into the turmeric glass. We have put some surf. Friends, you can see that earlier when I added turmeric to it, it turned yellow. Now that I told you that when I will add another thing into it, it will turn into red. And now with this, we will prove that if we add surf to turmeric, we will get the red color. Now friends, I will show you how we will again turn into yellow color. So now we will take a lemon which was already, we will put in it and we will mix it. Now friends, as I told you that I can change into yellow color, I have proved you that when we add turmeric to it, it turns into yellow. Then if we add surf, it turns into red color. And now if we add the lemon, it turns again into yellow color. So friends, by this